Alright, good morning. Jared with Around the Bend Pressure Washing. This is this morning's project. So it's going to be a building wash. Also going to get these deck areas cleaned up, concrete pads. The building itself is just mainly dirty. You can see along the windows, got some buildup. And then the decks themselves, quite a bit of black. Customer is going to stain the decks once they're clean. See, there's ample spider nests. Take a look at these gutter lines. This front porch is not nearly as bad. You can see the door. Quite a bit of buildup. Down along this door as well. Another shot of the gutter. And these windows as well. So I'll get that all cleaned up. Got everything taped up. Go ahead and pull my hoses and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, let's take a look. You remember these windows were filthy. So they're all nice and clean. Got all that all cleaned up. Here in the front, those gutters are pretty rough. Got this ramp all cleaned up. This is just wet right here where I was doing the sidewalks. All this in here. Well, that white really pops against that blue. This one was probably the worst out of all of them. Still wet, but definitely looks better than it did. So I'm all wrapped up on this one. I think the next one I'm moving on to is a roof blow off. This is its back patio. Still a little bit wet. So it turned out well. On to the next one.